Preview.
Hello everyone and welcome again to the new basic learning in the mathematics section, in which I am going to cover the new chapter, that is factorization. Okay, so factorization you have done in 6th also, 7th also, 8th also, but here we are with the class 9th, part 1. Okay, so how many types of factorization are there we must know. That is, first one is common, second type is grouping, third is difference of squares, that is a square minus b square, third is trinomial, that is fourth, trinomial ax square plus bx plus c. Fifth one is the difference of sum of cubes, that is a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube, and the last one is mixed or miscellaneous. So first we will do with the common part, that is first part we will do. So the example which I will take, here we are with the common one. First we will do with the common part. So the example which I will take is 6p plus 8q. Now how to solve this? First you have to see the common part. What is common? 6 and 8 comes in the table of 2. Okay, so 2 is common. 2 is common and 2 3s are 6, p as such, plus 2 4s are 8, q as such. This part is common part and we have done. This is the answer. So I hope the common part you can do easily. Now another example I will take, that is 7xy plus 14yz. What is common in this? 7 comes in the table of 7 only and 14 comes in the table of 7. So 7 is common, and see the letter parts also. Y is also common in both. So 7 y we will take the common, and 7 1 7 as such, and we will take x. Y, x is left and y we will not take y because y we have already taken out. Okay, plus 7 2s are 14, y we have already taken out, we are left with z. So this is the answer. You can do the common part easily and they are very much easy to solve. Now the another example I will take, you can take 28x plus 70 y z. Okay, so this comes in the table of 2 also, 4 also, and 7 also, 14 also. So which will be taken out? The largest part is always taken out as the common. So here we will take out the 14. 14 2s are 28, x as such. I have not taken out the letter because in letters there is no common letter here in both. 14 5s are 70, y as such, z as such. This is the answer. I hope the common part you can do easily. Now we will do the grouping. Now the second type of factorization is grouping. Okay, in grouping what we do, we have to put these letters in bracket, or we have to make a group. So here is the trick that I will tell you. Either take 1 or 2, that is 1 or 2, or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in the group. Okay, or you can take 1 or 3 and 2 and 4 in the group. Okay, so if this part means 1 and 2 you are taking 1 or 2 part in the group. If this part, suppose it is given ax plus by, nothing is common in between them. So in order to take the third part also, you can take the example ay plus by, or you can take bx. Okay, so if we kept this part in the group, there is nothing common between them. So you can take the option second will be there. That is either take a or 1 or 3 and 2 or 4. So first we will do with the first part. Now the example was ax plus ay plus bx plus by. So we will take the first and second, third and fourth. First we will keep this in the bracket, or you can do like that also. Okay. So what is common in the first part? That is a is common. We will take out common. X as such and y as such. We have to put the plus sign. That is important. Okay. What is common in this? B, x plus y. Now this part, what we have kept in the bracket should be same. Okay, x plus y and x plus y, they are same. So answer will be correct. Then we will do x plus y for one time and a plus b for one time. Now the answer is a plus b and x plus y. So this is the answer. Now we will do the second part also. Suppose the example is given you ax plus by plus, you can take, or you can take here x, and ay plus by. Okay. You can take here y and here x. So in first part also there is nothing common. Okay. And in second part also there is nothing common. So what we are going to do here, we are going to put this formula. That is first and third we will keep in group, and second and fourth. So ax plus ay and by plus bx. So what is common in this? A, x plus y. What is common in this? B and y plus x. So there is same, that is same. A plus b and x plus y. So the answer which we get like this also the same, and this here also same. So both the parts are correct of doing with the both the parts we have done, that is this also and this also. We have done with the both methods. So the answer is same. You can do very easily these parts, grouping parts. Now I will take another example. Now the example is a square plus bc plus ab plus ac. So you can see that there is nothing common between them, between 1 and 2 part. And here the common is a. But the problem is we cannot keep first part common. First part, there is nothing common in the first part. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the next method, that is a first and third and second one with the fourth one. So a square plus ab plus bc plus ac. Okay. So what is common in this? A. When we take out a from a square, what is left? A. Plus b. Here what is common? C and b plus a, or you can put a plus b. So we have done a plus c and a plus b. This is the answer. Okay. So the grouping part, I hope the grouping part is clear to you. Now we will do the next part, that is difference of squares. A square minus b square. Now the third type is difference of squares, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, the example is 16x square minus 25y square. So 16, we can take 4. 4 is the square of 16 and 5 is the square of 25. So we have to take out the square. Here 4. Okay. When we take out x, that is x square minus 20. You have to take out the square now. So we have put x only. X is the square of means when we do x into x we get x square. So we have put it here x. Then 5 is the square of 5 is the square of 25. So 5 we will put. 5. Okay. And y as such. Okay. Now we have to do with the formula. It says a plus b and a minus b. One time we have to put plus and one time we have to put minus. So 4x plus 5y and 4x plus minus 5y. Okay. First time plus, second time minus. So the answer is this. Now the another type of example I will take, that is y square minus 25. Okay. So here y into y will give y square y minus 5. So what we are going to do? Y plus 5 and y minus 5. Okay. Now the third example I will take, that is 81 a square x square minus 49 b square y square. Okay. So the square of 9 is 81. 9 9s are 81. 9 a as such, x as such. Minus 7 7s are 49. B is as such, y as such. So, or you can understand by this also that when we do 9 into 9, we get 81. When we do a into a, we get a square. When we do x into x, that is x square. Okay. So, one time plus and one time minus. This is the answer. I hope the third part is also clear to you. And the first part I end here only. In the second part, we will do the next 3 formulas, that is that we have left. Okay, that are left we will do later on in the next part. Till then, stay happy and stay tuned. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe our channel, and yes, hit the bell icon to get more latest updates. Thank you for watching.